What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode number 4 of the Sitka Creek Boat rebuild. And today's episode, it's very exhausting. We work on the exhaust and we do a little bit of wiring. Stay tuned. Here we go. Okay, as you can hear, she is beeping. We got power. Here we go. Well, that sounds super loud. Hopefully it'll be a lot more muffled with water in it. That is loud. Ooh, man, that's hot as shit, hockey. Well, first start with the exhaust. So basically, now it is time to get the water system done. All right, cooling system mocked up. We're gonna run through it. Here we go. Okay, we've got coming in from the jet pump to the first Y. That goes to another Y right there. That Y goes off to the water pump. This Y comes up to the exhaust. Okay? That goes also through the motor, out the thermostat, and out that through hole fitting over there. Okay? Then I'm gonna plug this one because I am running the new style coupler here. So plugging that one. And then this runs over to the oil cooler, and then oil cooler out that fitting right there. Okay, so I kind of just lightly turn the water on here. Let's see what we got going on. Got water coming out of the jet pump. We have water coming out of the exhaust. Yeah. Not a lot of water, but the water's barely on at the moment. We have water going to the oil cooler. We do not have water going to the oil cooler. Why is that? Water going to the oil cooler. Oil cooler outlet. The only reason why water's not coming out of here right now is because the thermostat is not open, obviously. Well, for our first check of the coolant system, I think that'll do it. It looks looking good so far. So I'm gonna put the tank back in, put the battery back in, hose clamp all this stuff. Alright, so got this thing sorted out pretty well. She's running good, running smooth, no more oil leaks. I pulled the motor out of this thing again earlier today, off camera, fixed the little seal stuff, got it to where it'll seal up, so no more oil leaks. Now we're just going to work on steering and throttle, and then we're going to take this thing on a little bit of a lake test. So, here we go. Okay, so I have very temporarily got the steering hooked up to the boat, as you can see here. Again, super temporary, running over the transom of the boat. I'm just trying to get this thing ready for the first little water test. I'm not going to hook up the reverse yet. I'm just going to strap the tank in the boat. Yeah, we're just temporarily getting this thing on the water, hopefully by this weekend. It's Monday now, but I do have a lot of other work going on. So the next thing on the jet is to get the throttle sorted out. I've got a throttle lever coming from Amazon today to hook up to the Batwing steering, and that is next on the list, boys. Alrighty guys, to end off video number 4, we are back at the boat ramp, good old Lake Alvarado. Got the jet boat here. We have temporarily got this thing lake ready. Lots of temporariness with ratchet straps and stuff like that, but I was itching to get her on the water, so here we are. We're gonna first dip it in the water and see if we got any leaks, and then hopefully we're gonna go for a little lake cruise. All right, here we go. Well, that all checks out. Didn't really find much leaks, so let's take it out on the water. Here we go. Well, that will conclude video number 4. A little bit of a quick lake test here. Yep, we got some leaks. Need to fix the exhaust. We've got water splashing up over the transom. I'm pretty sure the swim deck will fix that. So we're going to weld on the swim deck. We're going to finish the exhaust through hole coupler so that doesn't blow apart again and leak water. And I mean, that's kind of a success. The boat is still missing intermittently. I think it's coil pack related. So I'm going to get 3 freshy coil packs on this thing and some freshy plugs. And we're going to hit the lake again, hopefully for quite a bit more of a lake test. And then the Brazos. So, thanks for watching. That'll conclude video number 4 of the Sitka Creek boat rebuild, and we'll see y'all in the next one.